I'm James Brino.
And I'm Gibbons.
And we're at the Connecticut Center for Advanced Technology. I'm our Curriculum and Training Manager.
And I'm our AM Technical Trainer.
And we're here to tell you all about our training offerings and our tech adoption programs. Zach, you said AM. What do you mean?
Additive Manufacturing. It is the abbreviation of the industry standard term for 3D printing. Our Additive Manufacturing program starts off with an online pre-work learning to baseline the knowledge level of our students coming into our classes so we can kick off from a standard starting point. That is done through SME Tooling U, where they learn the basics of terminology around 3D printing and additive manufacturing, as well as a rundown of materials and the different types of processes therein.
What is SME Tooling U?
SME stands for the Society of Manufacturing Engineering. Tooling U is short for Tooling University. It is an accredited online platform that offers courses on a myriad of engineering-related subjects. So when students come in here to take our courses, they already have an industry-recognized accreditation at the base level of additive manufacturing to better understand what we're going to be discussing further in our classes. James, there are a lot of digital training tools that are changing the way we approach manufacturing training. Could you tell us a little bit about how that is impacting what we do here at CCAT?
Oh yeah, for sure. You know, at CCAT we're different. We're a nonprofit. We don't sell hardware. We don't sell software. So a lot of our training starts at an awareness level where you just learn what you can do to help your business and how you can help transform your organization. So when can we see you in the classroom leading a training?
We have a recurring monthly schedule of additive trainings. Please check our website for future available offerings, as well as the offerings for our Digital Thread Labs trainings on model-based definition, as well as CNC machining. We regularly now have multiple full classrooms on simultaneous trainings going on at once. Please come and be a part.
And if you're interested in signing up for any of our training, go to the website ccat.us.